Hey everyone, this is Liz, your developer community manager, and I am super excited to be talking to you about community challenges today. Community challenges are a great way to practice your Xano skills and discover new features. They also allow you to earn badges inside our community and showcase your skills. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we are going to do is install the community challenges snippet. So we can go ahead and add this to our Xano account here. We'll choose the instance, and this will be added to our workspace. So now once the snippet has been added to your instance, we're going to go ahead and access our workspace. We'll go to Marketplace, then select Purchase. We're going to find the community challenges snippet, and we're going to go ahead and install this. Once it has been installed, we can go ahead and get started with these challenges by going to Library, Functions, and we want to find this function labeled Challenge Function. You can see that it has the Marketplace icon on here, meaning that this was brought in via the Marketplace. We can open up this function, and here is where we are going to access the data and submit our results. Now, for this function, we need two things. You're going to need your email that is associated with your community profile, and you're going to need the challenge ID. The challenge ID is found within the graphic of the challenge that you are trying to complete. So for example, this calculate average challenge, if we open this up, we can see the challenge ID is provided here. If we scroll down, the challenge ID is also provided at the bottom of the description. So we'll grab this challenge ID 1, and we'll also grab the email address associated with our community profile. So let's go ahead and run this. I have the challenge ID 1. Once I run this, I can see the data here. Here is an array of objects that I need in order to complete this challenge. The next step is for you to build out your logic to solve this specific challenge. You can do that here in this function stack. Once we are ready to submit a result for this, we can do that in this external API request. We can see that there is a place here for us to submit this. So if I go ahead and I want to submit that the answer is 56 and it's a type integer, I can update this, save the function, and I'll go ahead and disable this stop and debug. Now, once I run this again, I can see that I get some feedback. We can see that this is incorrect. Please try again. So I'm going to go ahead and try again. So now I have added another answer to the function here, this external API request. I'm going to go ahead and run this again. Now I have gotten this answer correct. We can see that I get the message. That's correct. You've completed this challenge. Now make sure to head over to your community profile. If this is the first challenge that you have completed, you will receive a badge underneath the badges here. As we can see here, I have solved my first skill sprint challenge, which is great. Now, a question that typically comes up is, what is a skill sprint challenge? So if we head over back to the knowledge base and go to our community challenges, we can see here that all of these challenges available right now belong to Series 1. So these challenges are going to be coming out in badges. So each of these is known as a skill sprint when they are all coming together, right? So we have Series 1 right here. So stay tuned for more challenges to come. Let us know if you have any questions. We hope you enjoy these. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.